Hey guys, welcome. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I want to show you a brand new 2018 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard.
Alright, starting here, we can see this is a beautiful dark blue gel coat hull top, white bottom, and got this galvanized dual axle trailer that comes with the boat. Look at this massive swim platform with the outboard, port side swim steps there. Looking up, we have this nice sun pad here. Plenty of storage underneath, which I'll show you in a second. We got this locker here, which is your battery on-off switch right here on the wall. Also put some storage in here. Moving forward, we're going to look inside at this beautiful L-shaped cockpit. What a big amount of space they put in this 21-footer. We can see that the seat back here flips up for when you want to lounge outside. Also opens in. Look at this, tons of storage. No more motor here, no bilge to worry about, just all storage. Alright, let's take a look at the helm. Two companion bucket chairs here, two speakers up front, got a glove box here, perfect for your phone and accessories. And looking down at the floor, you got a nice size ski locker, hinged, gasketed, really nice. Got a nice storage compartment in here. Moving forward to the bow, plenty of seats, grab handles, two extra speakers up front. Under the seats, what I'll show you here is we got a lot of ample storage up again at the front, carpeted in the interior, so you can put things like anchors and it won't clank around. Let's look again in the back. Here under the seat, it lifts up and you got an insulated cooler here as well. Has a slide out cooler on the starboard side, tucked out of the way.
Thanks for taking the time to look at this 21 SPX outboard with me. It's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-783-9555.